Hi everyone, today we're going to install Java and we're going to set up Java Home so that you can actually use Java. Java download. And am I recording? Okay, I'm recording. So from here you can go to Oracle site. Let's go to Oracle site, Java downloads, and then we have a download page, and click on this Mac OS, click on this Apple logo, and about this Mac. If you're using Intel Core, then download x64 compressed archive or DMG installer. And if you recently bought a Mac, and if that has M1 chip, then you have to download ARM64 download. So I have Intel chip, so I'm going to download this one. Okay, and then open up. This is going to open up installer, and double click and continue, install, and input your password, install software, and this is going to install Java. Install succeeded, and move to trash. That's it. And now what you have to do is set Java Home so that other applications that use Java knows which Java binary to run. So the reason why Java install doesn't take care of this is because theoretically you might be able to have multiple Java versions and you want to be able to switch Java versions, switch between Java versions depending on what you're making, what your softwares require. So first, open up the terminal. You can do command space and type terminal here. If you have a new Mac OS, Apple recently changed their default terminal into Z shell. If you have older Mac OS, you might be using bash shell. Depending on what you have, how you set up Java Home might be different. So you have to make sure which shell you are using, and this is how you do it. Type echo and shell. If you have this one, /bin/zsh, then you're using Z shell. But instead, if you have /bin bash, then you're using bash script. Okay, so if you have bash shell, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to set up Java Home in bash shell as well. So right now, I'm gonna show you how to do it in Z shell. After that, I'm gonna tell you how to do it bash. Okay, so don't worry about it. The next step is to type this. We're gonna type ls space -al. This is going to list out all the files and folders that you have on that specific directory. So right now, if you have Z shell, you might have a zshenv file. If you don't have it, you can do touch space ~/z shell in. You can type exactly. Okay, if you created that Z shell environment file, what you're gonna do is to figure out where Java binary, JDK binary is located. In order to find out, I'm gonna type /usr/libexec, libexec, and Java Home. So I installed JDK 17, so I have this thing printed out. This is where JDK binary is located. So what we're gonna be doing is copy and paste this path where the Java JDK is located, and then put it in the Z shell environment file. So let me make sure that Java Home is actually empty. Echo Java Home. This is how you print out environment variables. Okay, so now it's empty. So we're gonna set that Java home in Z shell inf. So open tilde slash Z shell inf, and then this file is empty right now. What we're gonna be doing is export. Make sure that export is actually all small case, and Java home, and the copy and pasted value, which is this long path. This is where your Java JDK binary is located. Save, close. What we're gonna do is tell Z shell that we actually change something. So apply the change into the current shell. So what we're gonna be doing is source tilde slash Z shell inf. And then now let's check if Java home is set. Echo Java home. Okay, so right now Java home is set up. So yeah, this is it. And now I'll show you how to do this same exact thing if you're using bash script, bash shell. I changed my shell to use bash instead of Z shell. Let's make sure if I'm using bash shell correctly. So echo shell. Okay, now I'm using bash binary. So let's check if I have Java home installed. Set. So echo Java home. Okay, it's empty, right? If you're using bash script, you need this file. Touch tilde slash dot bash profile. Okay, let's make sure we have the program. ls al and okay, we have this bash profile here. And Command K to clear out my terminal. And I'm going to open up that file and add Java home. Open tilde slash period bash profile. I have empty file here. So I'm gonna do export. Make sure E is lowercase. It's keep changing. You can actually use your favorite code editor to write this. Export Java home equals to this long path. Okay. So actually, if you install different versions of Java, you can actually change this version to, I don't know, 15.8 or something like that, but we install Java JDK 17, so we're gonna have JDK 17 here. And then save, and then exit, and then from our terminal, I'm going to do source tilde slash bash profile. This is going to tell shell to pick up updated bash profile and then use those environment variables. And then after that, let's check out. Let's see if Java home is set up. Echo $ Java _ home. Now JDK version, the Java home variable is set. So you can actually use Java. Other programs can use Java correctly. Alright, so this is the end of the video. If I also have a video about how to switch Java versions. Yeah, check out that video if you're interested in if you're interested in that. In this channel, we learn programming, share career tips, and learn how to be more productive. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe my channel. Click the like buttons for your YouTube algorithm, and see you guys next time. Bye. Make more money and be happy.
Well, it just
too much.
Money to be.
Okay, so in this channel we learn programming, share career tips, so that we become more productive and possibly make more money. So
Why do you have to put that in there?
I don't know. Okay, so yeah, in this channel we learn programming, talk about career tips in tech, and and productivity tips. Hacks. Oh, in this channel we talk about